Just days before the start of the new school year, crews were hard at work on a new outdoor classroom at Garrison Elementary School in Northwest D.C. The final piece of the puzzle? New seating salvaged from D.C. street trees by the District Department of Transportation's Urban Forestry Division.
Because this represents one of the first projects we've delivered with our new sawmill. So we're using this mill to accomplish a lot of goals. And this project really embodies all of those. The first is we're giving DC's street trees new life.
You heard it right. DDOT now has its own sawmill.
It's a portable mill. It's mounted on a trailer, and so we can hook it to a truck and drive it to a job.
Earl Usler is Associate Director of DDOT's Urban Forestry Division. He says when trees need to come down, his team is looking for wood suitable for milling.
For those trees that have a high value, a high lumber value, we're grading those out, setting them aside, and trying to match them up with projects like this outdoor classroom here at Garrison Elementary to satisfy a need.
Sean McKim is part of the urban forestry team trained to operate the sawmill. He came to DDOT from a more traditional forestry background and is super excited about the agency's ability to repurpose street trees once they're removed.
We have hundreds of thousands of trees in the district, and instead of having them either sent off and going into a dump or chipped up into small mulch to be put, maybe in someone's yard, I think it's amazing that we're able to take these trees and get some sort of second life out of them.
In this case, that new life means outdoor seating for elementary school students. Michael Smith of the Landscape Architecture Bureau designed the classroom. He was on hand to survey the installation.
It's awesome to use, locally sourced materials always, natural materials especially in this setting. And all of the furniture has history, which I think is important. It's something that we can share, and hopefully the kids will enjoy it as well.